Take the last train to Pottsville and I'll meet you at the station. You can be here by 4:30, 'cause I've made your reservation. Don't be slow. No, no, no. No, no, no. 'Cause I'm leaving in the morning and I must see you again.
I can't get in here.
Yeah.
No, no, no. No, no, no. And I don't know if I'm ever coming home. Take the last train to Pottsville. I'll be waiting at the station. We'll have time for coffee, flavored kisses, and a bit of conversation. No, no, no. No, no, no. Take the last train to Pottsville. Now I must hang up the phone. I can't hear you in this noisy railroad station. All alone I'm feeling low.